Hi, I'm Dr. Monica Surana and I've just completed my fellowship in facial plastics and cosmetic surgery of 1 year. And this is my experience so far. So basically when I completed my residency, I always had a thought in my mind to do some super specialization in facial plastics. So as we know that it could be short term or long term, but I always had an intention to go in the fellowship for a longer period of time, because I feel that the patient exposure is one thing, and how to manage the patient, their follow-ups, management of complications, all these aspects and everything surrounding the patient care cannot be understood in 2-day or 3-day courses. Also, that's just a brief introduction. While when we are in a fellowship, which is a dedicated 1-year fellowship, it also prepares you for your OPDs, your clinics, your own practice in terms of management of all the different aspects, such as how to handle patients, how to handle staff, and so on. So all in all, I feel that 1 year is really important and crucial to get into fellowships where you want to super specialize in such aspects which are very delicate, especially when dealing with face. As we all know that face is the most important part of the body, so understanding the detailed aspect of be it botox, fillers, threads, or maybe the surgical aspect like blepharoplasty or rhinoplasty becomes very important, because we are dealing with the face. And my residency taught me a lot of things about the face in general, but looking from a plastics or cosmetics aspect becomes crucial. So I was blessed with the seeing patients, both the mixed bag of surgical and non-surgical in my 1-year fellowship, and it has helped me develop an aspect wherein I can treat the cases, not just go with whatever tools we have in our bag, but also give patients an option to choose. So those aspects, those mindset only get developed when you see a lot of cases. It cannot be fulfilled in just 2-day or mere 3-day courses. So that is why it is very important to see the patients throughout their journey for at least a year. Even I feel right now that I've just taken one step into the facial plastics, but the journey just has begun. So maybe a year is just the least we can expect to get the idea, the perspective, and develop a mindset to delve into it to delve into it much deeper. So that's my journey, and thank you so much.